Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable the Show Replies from Followers feature on your public story on Snapchat. If you want more interaction and visibility on your stories, this setting is definitely worth turning on. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings live. Next, in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This will open up your settings menu where you can customize your Snapchat experience. Now, scroll down until you find the notifications option and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see different notification preferences related to your account. Keep scrolling down until you reach the section labeled Public Profile Settings. Under this section, tap on your name. This will open up additional settings specifically for your public profile. Here's the key step. Look for the option called Show Public Story Replies. Once you find it, simply toggle it